Hello everyone. Today I'll be taking you on a new episode from the Elite Codec team, and today I want to show you the two tools that are required for web development. Every web developer should know this. So I am Daniel Michael, and today I want you to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, and also turn on the bell for notifications and updates for tutorials that will be coming soon. Lots of episodes. So ensure you subscribe. Moving on to today's program, I want to show you two tools that are required for web development. One of which is the Chrome browser. The Chrome browser is a very advanced browser that has been developed by the well-known organization or tech company known as Google. So the Chrome browser can be downloaded from their website, which is google.com/Chrome. So you head over to this google.com/Chrome, and then you'll be taken to the home page where you'll be able to download this browser. The browser is built to be safe, is built to be yours, and is built to be fast. As you can see, you have a button here to download. Note that it is based on operating systems. Currently, I am on a Windows device and I'm having this download button here. Once I click, it downloads for this operating system. But if you're on a Mac, to download for Mac, so do not be bothered about um, I'm on a Mac. How do I get for Mac or how do I get for Windows? The site itself automatically detects your operating system and then deliver what is required for you. You see how smart that is. So that is it for the Chrome browser. It is the fastest way to do things online and lots more. You can do a lot with the Chrome, so make it yours. It's a very useful tool for web development because ev- everything you'll be writing or every software you'll be developing or every app you'll be writing is to be run on this browser. It's going to give you a very nice result, a very nice result instantly. As time goes on, you will see the effective use of this Chrome browser. The next application I want to tell you about are text editors. Text editor is basically any software tool that enables you to write your programs. Like your software, everything you'll be writing, every program you'll be writing, this tool can enable you to write and save them into your device for execution. Yes, you heard that correctly, for execution. So this tool is also known as the text editor. The most advanced text editor that I recommend is the VS Code. Although there are tons of text editor out there. Like when I started, I used Notepad++, brackets, Sublime Text, and so on. But those editors cannot be compared to the features VS Code is giving to you because it has extensions that are being built by different software developers. Not to mention, I forgot to mention this. VS Code is an open source software. That simply means different developers can also contribute to its enhancement. So it has a marketplace where can actually develop their extension for the support of any programming language and upload to that market. Once it is being uploaded to the market, either paid or free, we can access it and install it on the VS Code. So to get this VS Code, you can just hop up to Google and search for VS Code, also known as Visual Studio Code. It's an app or a software that is built on the Electron framework by our also well-known company, Microsoft. Yes, you heard that correctly. Microsoft. So go over to the internet and then search for Visual Studio Code or VS Code. Or you can as well go directly to the website, which is on code.visualstudio.com. That will take you to the homepage of the site. Or once you search for VS Code, you have the download button here, which is simply the download page. As you can see on my right hand here, it says Visual Studio Code, also commonly referred to as VS Code, is an open source editor made by Microsoft with the Electron framework for Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Features include support for debugging, syntax highlighting, intelligent code completion snippets, code refactoring, and embedded Git. Wow, that's a lot. Embedded Git. Git is actually a version control system, which we will be telling you or teaching you in our subsequent videos. But on today's episode, we're not going to cover that. When it says intelligent code completion, that's my favorite. Like, this application helps you, it saves time in writing codes. You don't necessarily need to cram everything. As long as you could remember starting or even the ending, this editor can just help you autocomplete instantly. So I'll be clicking on the download button and it will be taking me to the download page. As you can see, this is the download page where we have a button to download for Windows, for Debian or Ubuntu, and for the Mac OS. So this is a Windows PC. I can as well download for Windows, or if you're on a Mac, you can download for Mac. That's just it. It's just a simple software, just the normal way you install your other apps. I already have this installed on my machine, so I don't actually need to download it again. But if you don't, you can as well download it because it will be used in our upcoming videos, upcoming tutorials. This is the text editor.